Good morning. Today's a little bit of a bittersweet day. We pulled the engine out of Deathwish for the season. I have antifreezed it. We've had some freezing temperatures, but I still like to pull it out and keep it inside where it's heated. And I don't have enough room inside for the boat. But you get to see what I've purchased. Let's get to it. Here we go. This kind of bums me out. I told you I antifreezed it. Well, I found a cap that would do it. It's not the one I was looking for, but it'll work. Now I need to find my wrenches. All right, we've found a piece of equipment that can pluck that out for me and put it in the bed of the truck. So with any luck, we'll have this engine out here in just a few minutes. Stay tuned. Well, we got the engine out for what might be the last time. Now we got to figure out how to get it out of the truck. Because again, I don't have enough height. So we'll just start putting stuff together, see what we can come up with. If you couldn't tell, I'm a little bit worried about the balance. Told you I had a surprise for you. This, I believe, we're going to call Misfortune. It's a 19-foot pickle fork. It's considerably lighter than Deathwish. And it's a tunnel hull. We've got some fiberglass work to do. You can see somebody's cut the stringers out for me. So we got to put those back in. I've already set my jet pump out to get rebuilt. But this thing is so light. I mean, seriously. Two of us can't do that with Deathwish. So is this the end of Deathwish? Who knows? We topped out at 63 miles an hour with 2 people and half a tank of fuel, which is pretty respectable on water, but I've never known to be respectable. I want 3 digits or I'm going to kick the damn thing off at the dump. It's a blank canvas. If you're enjoying some of the crazy stuff that I'm doing, please hit the subscribe button. I'd very much appreciate it. Thank you.